Supreme Court has stayed the arrest, in fact, on activist Teesta Setalwad. The court will hear this matter again on 19th of this month. That's the latest we are getting to here. Remember, yesterday also the Supreme Court had stayed for a day the arrest of activist Teesta and her husband Javed Anand. This after the Gujarat High Court had rejected their anticipatory bail. Meenakshi with us on the phone line. Yes, Meenakshi, what's the latest from the court? What really has the court said today?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a huge breather which is coming for Teesta Setalwads, and this has swung her way temporarily, at least. All credit to Couple Sybil. Very interestingly, he was appearing and arguing vehemently for Teesta Setalwad's case before the Supreme Court today. And the court, in the course of hearings, also clarified that the court does not wish to get into any political issues. But Couple Sybil insisted upon the court as to how the sequence of events since yesterday deems it appropriate for the intervention of the Supreme Court. Couple Sybil, on behalf of Teesta Setalvad, also quoted from his argument saying that don't allow this mighty case to destroy the principles of justice. He cited before the Supreme Court as to how the judgment was due at 4:30 in the afternoon, but as early as 2 in the afternoon, there were cops that were posted outside Teesta Setalwad's case. Also, what is very interesting is the Supreme Court observed as to how they did not deem it appropriate to interfere at this stage because the case is not being argued on merits yet. Remember,
yes,
this is an anticipatory bail plea of Teesta Setalvad, which was dismissed by the Gujarat High Court yesterday. But Couple Sybil impressed upon the top court as to why the top court should intervene and hear both sides of the argument. Mind you, the Gujarat government also was present in the Supreme Court. They have vehemently opposed any such intervention by the Supreme Court, saying as to how this case amounts to misappropriation, alleged misappropriation on behalf of Teesta Setalvad, which amounts to approximately a little over 6.5 crores. That was the state's allegation. Couple Sybil at hand to rebut any such allegations, saying that if at all there was any financial bungling that was involved, if at all the case could progress against Teesta, it was an amount which was perhaps as much as 4 lakhs. Again, Couple Sybil trying to impress upon the Supreme Court as to how Teesta Setalvad has presented about 1,500 documents before the High Court. The High Court did not take into cognizance any one of those documents and went on to hastily pass yesterday's order. So the Supreme Court, of course, wishes to analyze this case further. This is an anticipatory...
Now, Meenakshi, give us one more clarity. When exactly will the Supreme Court hear this matter? And does this also mean that the Supreme Court first will hear the matter and then pronounce the order? Now, is this going to happen between today and the 19th till when the arrest has been stayed?
Well, the matter will now come up and the Supreme Court will only hear it on the 19th. Till 19th, the Supreme Court has gone ahead and given a breather to Teesta Setalvad and all the other accused in this case. Clearly, this means that the Gujarat government, at least till the 19th, till the Supreme Court disposes of this plea,